So today on the show, we're doing something a little bit different. I have Chef Alana, but I have your famous little sister.
Uh-huh.
Thanks for being on the show, Melissa. We're challenging Chef Alana to do something with her product for skincare. So this month it is beauty from head to toe. What are you gonna do?
Well, apparently I'm not supposed to cook today.
No cooking, unfortunately.
And so with healthy food items and the flax seeds and the flax oil, we are gonna make a body scrub,
Okay.
a face mask, and then a hair gel.
Let's do this.
Okay, first for the body scrub, what we have is you take rolled oats and you put it in a blender or a food processor and you turn it more into a flour.
Okay.
And you add to that wheat bran.
So wheat bran for exfoliating.
That's right.
And the oats are great to calm the skin as well.
And I've heard that it works well with eczema and dry skin.
It does.
Yeah. Then in this container here, we've got our flaxseed oil, the Alligga Flax oil, a Mediterranean yogurt, as well as a bit of honey.
Full fat.
Full fat.
It's good for the skin.
Yeah. Nourishing,
So all
moisturizing.
of these, so it's almost like you're exfoliating the skin, the same time you're locking in the moisture and
feeding it.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's a great way of
Because
doing
it is food, right? We're feeding
Okay.
it. And so
we have 5 minutes to do this today. So you have
so
like
we
1
gotta
minute
hurry
per,
up. Okay.
apparently. What's
Couple
that?
drops of lavender oil.
Which would be
Optional.
great, yeah.
And
So right into a paste.
right into a paste. Just mix it up.
So this is a face mask or it's full
A
of
body scrub.
body scrub.
So there you go.
Okay, we're gonna try this. Ready? Actually, it smells very good. A little bit on the skin. Rub it in. Do we let it sit at all?
You could let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off, or you could just use it as a moisturizing lotion and then rinse it off. You could, it would be like overnight oats.
You know what? It's very, I can feel the oil afterwards when I'm washing it off. I like that part. Look at, I love that. Nice and oily.
And clean.
Perfect, and nice and clean. Next is what?
Or doing a face mask. So
Okay.
what we have, ground flax seeds.
Yes.
That's gonna be your exfoliant as well.
Now, are you grounding those yourself?
You can grind them yourself. You can buy the pre-ground. If it is the pre-ground, store in your freezer for freshness.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we're gonna add honey and water.
Okay. Honey's great antibacterial as well.
Keeps
very
the skin
nourishing.
healthy. That's
Sure it
right.
does.
Couple drops of that lavender oil or any other essential oil you might like.
Okay.
Citrus in the morning to wake up, lavender at night to go to bed.
Wonderful. Now, would we leave this to thicken it up a little bit?
You could leave this, that's right. Let it, let the flax seeds absorb a bit of that water.
Why don't we put this aside, let that thicken up, because I'm gonna do this all at once on Melissa, who has gladly volunteered to be our beautiful model today. You're very brave. She's not even getting paid to do this. I don't know what you did to get her here, but she is here.
She loves me.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do for the hair gel is what you have there is we've got a container of whole flax seeds. So keep in mind whole, you don't want them ground, and you do need to soak them in about 2.5 cups of water overnight.
And people are always told to break them down. This time you're not.
This time you're not. You're soaking them to moisturize and hydrate from the inside and to start releasing the gel-like qualities of the flax seeds. So now we're gonna turn that on high, bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce it to a simmer.
Okay.
Simmer it for only about 5 minutes and make sure it is a simmer, not a boil. If you boil it, it will get really firm. Like it'll be a really tight gel.
Okay.
And then once it's simmered for 5 minutes, you strain it, cool it, store it. You can use it for up to 2 weeks. We do have a cooled product here because we don't want to.
So you say store it. Am I storing it in the fridge?
In the fridge, that's right.
Now this literally looks like egg white, right?
It does.
And some people use this as a natural hair gel as well.
You can use it as a hair gel, like a styling product, or you use it as a hair treatment.
I don't know if the camera can see that as well. It's interesting. Now you like putting what essential oil inside?
I like lavender myself. A little couple drops gives it that nice calming smell.
And for moms, just as a trick, putting tea tree oil in this and leaving your children's hair during lice season. I know that sounds
That's
gross,
right,
but
yeah.
it's a great way of holding the product in the hair with the tea tree oil. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, we're gonna do the face mask first. You are such a good sister, because I don't think I'd ever do this for my sister, ever. So what am I doing, Alana? I'm just trying to
Just
put this.
gonna evenly put it on her face, and what it is that flaxseed, which we normally take inside for all of its health benefits, are doing it on the outside this time. The ground seeds are gonna exfoliate her skin. It's gonna add that omega-3, which we already know is cell regenerating, so it's always good for your skin when you ingest.
I know Melissa very well, and I just have to say, I'm getting such pleasure doing this to her. You're awesome. You're totally awesome. Okay, here comes the
Hair
gel.
gel.
And I'm actually gonna be nice. Will you hold this for me, please? I'm just gonna do just a part of your hair because you know what? There's absolutely, bring it over here, Melissa. There's absolutely no way. Now, if you're gonna do this in the shower, is absolutely best. You put it in your hair, pull it through. Leave it in for how long, Alana?
If you're gonna do it at home as a hair treatment, you wanna leave it in for about 15 minutes. In which case, yeah, just gather the hair on top of your head, sit there for a bit.
There's nothing that I can do to make you look at this point. Any more information on this, go to our website or Alligga's. Thank you so much for being such a good sport, Melissa. And thanks for being on the show, Alana.
You're welcome, thank you.